Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the Income Tax Act 1961. From Income Tax Act, which consolidates and amends the law relating to income tax and super tax. Section 2, Clause 36A, Public Sector Company. Public sector company means any corporation which is established by the central, state or provincial act or established under any of the government company. Public sector company means a government company or any of the corporation or a company which has been formed and established by a central act, by a state act, by any provincial act, and as defined in section 617 of the Companies Act 1956, a body which has a statutory body because it has been formed by an act of parliament. A statutory body, for example, Life Insurance Corporation of India, etc. Any other company which has been formed specifically by an act of parliament by the central government or formed by any act of parliament of the state governments or any provincial act. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by the central government or by any state government or governments combinedly, or where any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is partly held by the central government and partly by one or more of the state governments and central governments. It includes any other companies which is a government company. Therefore, a company in which the central government or the state government owns the share capital of such a company, then it would come under the definition of a public sector undertakings. Moreover, the such government company are required to maintain its books of accounts. Its books of accounts should be audited by Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and the audit report is placed before them. And as soon as after such preparation, both the House of Parliament together with the copy of the audit report and comments supplied by in the audit report by the CAG, it would be discussed before the Parliament by the members of the Parliament. Therefore, the regulations requirement to each such company shall apply. All the provisions of the public sector company would apply to government company, and the provisions related to government company would be applicable to the